Good morning, everyone. We're going to continue the chapter for the parallels between the two age in the providence of restoration. So we are now in section for the period of the divided kingdoms of North and South and the period of the divided kingdoms of East and West. So divided kingdoms of North and South because King Solomon worshipped idols, the United Kingdom of Israel was divided upon the death, having lasted only 3 generations. The kingdom of Israel in the north was in the possession of Cain, while the kingdom of Judah in the south was in the possession of Abel. So number two, divided kingdoms of East and West. After bitter and constant conflict among Charlie Magnus' descendants, the Christian Empire also began to divide in the third generation into the East Franks and West Franks. East Franks stood in Abel position towards the West Franks, the Cain position. In the period of the divided kingdoms of North and South, whenever the Israelites stayed from the idea of the temple, God sent many prophets to move them to internal reform. However, because they did not repent, God chastised them externally by sending Gentile nations such as Babylon to attack them. So during the parallel period of the divided kingdoms of East and West, the papacy was corrupt. God sent prominent monks to promote internal reform in the church. Since the papacy and the church did not repent, God chastised from them externally by letting their people fight the Muslims. This was the providential reason behind the Crusades. So the period of the divided kingdoms of North and South came to an end when Gentile nations took the people, Israel and Judah, into exile. They put an end to monarchy in Israel. So likewise, at the close of the period of the divided kingdoms of East and West, the papacy had completely lost its prestige and credibility after the repeated defeats of the Crusades. Christianity thus lost its center of spiritual sovereignty. Moreover, Crusades and the papacy and the feudal lords had spent enormous funds to pursue these unsuccessful wars. They were left impoverished monarchy. Christianity began to erode. Okay, everybody, this is all for today. Bye, everyone.